Well, good morning. Today is day 31, and it's honestly a day that I've been kind of avoiding for a while now. Today I'm installing all of the electrical, all of the inverters, the battery hookups, solar chargers, all of that craziness. This is definitely way outside of my comfort zone, which is why I am very glad that AM Solar is helping me out. Hi, Alexa.
Hi.
Boy, it is sure nice having this air conditioning unit running while we are working out in this heat.
I can feel it.
Yeah. This thing, I believe, is for cutting fingers off. Stick a finger in here, cut the finger off. All right. You want to try to cut our first piece of wire?
Yeah!
This is 4-aught wire. That means it's really big. And you kind of keep squeezing. Oh yeah, you could do this, buddy.
That's easy!
That's easy. Just keep cranking. I think that's how it works.
It's electricity day!
Hey, you were watching a Storybots show this morning about electricity, weren't you?
Yeah.
What did you learn? Can you teach us how to do electricity?
So, I forgot.
Yeah, electricity's hard, isn't it?
It's getting hard.
Yeah. Let it open up more. Yeah. Look!
I did it!
That's a big wire. I definitely don't know what I'm doing. Hopefully today's video serves as a testament to you can do anything you put your mind to, right, buddy? Just take it one step at a time.
Yep. And I said it like Crossy Road.
Like Crossy Road? One step at a time like Crossy Road.
Yeah, because if you do it too fast, you'll get smushed by a car or a train. Over here, we're going to store our batteries and stuff. And over here, some clothes. Maybe some clothes.
I guess you put these lugs over top of this 4-aught wire. There's a lot of strands. Try to get them all in there, nice and snug. And then
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Snug as a bug in a rug. Then I guess you put this in here like so. And this will be my first attempt at crimping a wire. I think this is going to be loud, buddy.
Maybe I should step back.
I think you'll be okay. I think I need to be on concrete because it bounces too much. Yeah, we got to go to concrete. I want you to hit that really hard. Let's keep your fingers back, just like back here. Yep. Ah! Good job. And I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this, but I'm going to flip it around and just give it a whack on the other side too. So I almost made a big mistake with doing the electrical. So far, all of the components for the van we've pretty much ordered on Amazon. So I was making a list, doing my best to kind of get all the parts and pieces and getting ready to order that. And then a friend of mine told me about AM Solar, and I reached out to them, and I was so happy I did, because for the exact same price as the components were on Amazon, I bought it from them. Yes, please. For the exact same price on Amazon, I got it from AM Solar, and with that comes all of these beautiful diagrams and phone support, which has been crucial. I'm actually maybe tomorrow or probably the next day, 2 days from now, I'm going to do a FaceTime with them and kind of walk through and make sure everything looks good. Highly recommend AM Solar. I almost made a big mistake with that one.
Give me all you got.
So as I'm starting to dive into this, I'm already feeling a lot more confident. These diagrams are helping tremendously, and as long as you take it one step at a time, it's not too terribly bad. I guess I'm not sure what I was so nervous about. I think the whole thing looks really complicated and really daunting, but as you break each step down and take it just step by step, it becomes really easy. And honestly, I just have all of these diagrams taped up here, and I just follow one step at a time, connect the wire, and that's all you need to do. Also, really quick, I have to say that the van life community so far has been fantastic. Somebody saw our shower system, reached out with some questions, and I helped him through that through Facebook chat. In exchange, he's offered some help with wiring, his experience with wiring. So I've got a picture of his setup down here, and I'm just kind of mimicking that while I reference the rest of the diagrams. The reason that's been so helpful having his picture is because I haven't seen any other YouTube video saying, here's the entire schematic, and this goes to this, and that connects to that, and this does this, and this does that. And that's what I was missing. I've watched hours and hours and hours of YouTube videos, and I couldn't get anyone to give me like a whole system overview. So after I finish the installation, I'm going to give you a whole system overview and show you guys how this all works. It may be a little nerdy, but coming from me, it shouldn't be too bad. Things are going surprisingly well. The further I get into it, the easier it gets. Oh, hi, Chloe.
Hi.
Hi, bud. You want to come inside? Hello. You want to see what I'm working on?
Can I help you work on it?
Look what we're doing today, Chloe. Electricity.
Yay.
Yay.
Hey, look. This is pink.
Yep, it's pink. Just like you. You're pink, too.
These kind of things are bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah.
And you're supposed to pop them.
Do you remember your bubble dress?
Yeah, it was so fun. Yeah. I'm the queen of bubbles. Like my queen.
Whoa, that is a beautiful bubble wrap dress. That was so fun, wasn't it?
I said funny.
Oh, it was pretty funny, yeah. Chloe, will you help me make a wire, please?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta go outside the van, okay? Okay, can you hop down? All right, this will be really fun. What are you doing with it?
Holding on to it?
Holding on to it. Do you know how to crimp wire?
No. I don't know what it even means.
You don't know what it means? Oh my goodness.
Can I help you?
You know what? Before today, I didn't know what it meant either. So I'm gonna do the cutting part, and then you can do the hammering part, okay? Do you know how to hammer? Oh.
Yeah, you just put it down and then up.
Yeah?
Down, up, down, up.
Down, up.
Up, down, up.
Good job.
Is this a kind of hammer?
Yeah, it is a kind of hammer. Yeah, it's a big hammer. Can you hit this with the hammer? Takes both hands, okay? 2 hands. This is a heavy hammer. 1, 2, 3.
I can do this all by myself.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa, one more time. Oh, that's so heavy. Oh. Okay, don't hit your fingers. Good job, buddy. Pretty good, huh?
One?
I think that's it. Thank you for the help. High five.
Well, is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, come here. Let's go inside the van. All right, can you hop in there?
And don't close this.
I promise I will not close it, okay? All right, now sit down on your bottom. Yep, and scoot your legs this way. Yep, and can you lay down? Scoot down there. Perfect, you fit. That's gonna be your bed.
What's this?
Chloe, do you like it inside your bed?
Yeah.
Things are going well. Getting sleepy? Me too. Getting ready to run a 4-gauge wire from the DC breaker up to the DC distribution block.
It's this.
Big old wire, not that big. Almost that big. this is one of those times that I feel really smart, even though I'm not wiring this thing up. It looks super complicated, it looks super cool. But I just have a AC wire in, AC out, and then 2 battery hookups and a temperature sensor. So pretty simple job, especially with these diagrams and everything being labeled, but inching closer and closer to being all wired up. Okay, buddy, this is a really big wire. Can I show you how to cut it?
Yeah.
You squeeze and squeeze some more and keep squeezing like this. Over and over again. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Down, up, down, up. Oh, there you
Over
go.
here, Mommy. This
There
is
you
so
go.
cool.
Oh, you cut it.
Whoa.
Good
Can
job.
I do it again?
Now you're gonna screw these in. That way, if you mess it up, it's not my fault.
There you go.
You blame me.
Yeah.
I screw things really tight.
Do you?
We have a show for you that was about two toys, and Alexis and Anna I'm in.
Oh, yeah?
She doesn't want to sew.
Oh.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, I want to take your picture because you're doing a good job. Here, look at me and smile.
I was trying to make a funny picture.
Okay, Chloe, do you know how to screw this in? You go this way, okay?
I can do it.
Okay, keep going.
Go, Chloe!
Yay, good job, Chloe.
Like this. What's my funny face? It's the ducky face. This is her ducky face.
Alexa, can you tell us what all these different parts do inside here?
No.
Me either.
What's me?
Do you know what our next homeschool lesson is?
Can I do all my funny faces?
Yeah, do all your funny faces.
This is going to be on my stage. Today, we are working on funny faces. Do this, Chloe.
You kids are funny.
Oh my goodness.
You're not being much help.
Mommy,
Yeah.
watch Moo do a cartwheel in air.
Oh my goodness.
And she could do a triple whipple flip.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. What happened?
I have something to show you.
Did you drop something in there? Oh goodness.
Yes, I did, but I got it.
What is
Earlier, I dropped a screw inside of this thing and spent half an hour tearing it apart to try to get it back.
No.
Oh, you want to smile funny faces? The Wi-Fi.
Show me a nice face. Look at me. That's your nice face.
I want to see your nice face. This is my nice face. What's my happy face?
Okay. Oh, I love
I mean my side face.
I love your excited face.
And look at my birthday face. This is my birthday face. Yeah! You actually made the van shape.
Alright, that's enough. Daddy's working.
Come on, let's go play. Want to see my bike face?
Yeah. That's your bike face. Alright.
When I get a new bike. And I'm going to keep my princess bike.